Welcome. Today we will learn some simple meditation techniques that anyone can do. Meditation helps calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. You do not need any special skills or tools. Just find a quiet place and follow these easy steps. Find a comfortable spot. First, sit or lie down comfortably. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap or knees. Close your eyes gently if you like. Focus on your breathing now. Start paying attention to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel your lungs fill with air. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth or nose. Do this naturally and calmly. Try to notice the air moving in and out. Count your breath silently if it helps. For example, breathe in, count 1, breathe out, count 2, and continue up to 10. Then start again. Notice your body and feelings. As you breathe, gently notice how your body feels. Are your shoulders tense? Relax them. Is your face tight? Soften it. If your mind starts to wander or you feel distracted, that's okay. Just notice where your thoughts went and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Use a simple word or phrase. Optional. You can also try repeating a calming word or phrase in your mind with each breath. For example, breathe in and think, peace. Breathe out and think calm. This helps keep your focus steady. Start small and be consistent. Try to meditate for 3 to 5 minutes a day at first. You can increase the time when you feel comfortable. Meditating daily helps train your mind and brings more calmness to your life. End slowly. When you finish, don't get up quickly. Open your eyes slowly and take a moment to notice how you feel. Stretch gently if you want. Summary. To meditate simply. Find a comfortable position. Focus on your breathing. Notice your body and thoughts. Use a calming word if you like. Practice a few minutes every day. End slowly and gently. Meditation is easy and anyone can do it. With regular practice, you will feel more peaceful, focused, and relaxed. Give it a try today. Thank you for watching.